Hold it back.
I can't. Let me.
Hold it back. Don't. I got it.
Dad, please? Dad. Daddy. Don't do the lot.
Uh-oh, look who's coming over here. Big Papa. Oh, he's scared of Big Papa.
Jeden Morgen vor der Arbeit die nächsten 2 Wochen. Aber danach haben wir auch Zähne, wir können
Thanks a lot. Dad, I ate my doll. How you open this?
Here, take this one.
No,
But you about to waste it everywhere.
I'm not. I just flipped it over.
Elijah, look, he's trying to eat you.
He scared me. Well, I can see this.
So you just let him look at your hand.
He already ate it. Look, he ate it already. Look, this is a goat.
Here, you gotta do it like this.
Oh, he did it. He ate it. He loves it so much.
Also richtig außer Atem und anstrengend. Ich meine, das merkt man ja aber eigentlich. Komm, geh mal weiter.
You gotta put more than one in your hand.
Komm. Achso, genau, du hast noch was. Komm mal rein.
You gotta go like this. See how much I got in my hand? What's this?
Look, I got more. Look, this one can't eat alive. That one can't eat. Like, that one's doing that. Oh, he got my hand dirty. The English. I have more.
Komm, Jungs, mach die Kastanie rein, kleiner Mann.
Oh, Dad, he almost is that off. Dad, I swear I got
Here, come on.
Und kommt jetzt Kastanie rein, dann müssen wir los, kleiner Mann. Komm. Ui. Kastanie.
Dad, I feed the whole one.
Du musst nur noch ein bisschen Sound kriegen. So schnell ist das nicht. Ja.
I must like it.
Ein.
Does he want more?
Jetzt guck mal, wegen hier nochmal ganz kurz da vorne und dann...
One more.
Oh, Elijah, get over here.
Dad, he can't eat it.
Where's Elijah?
Elijah!
He always wants to play.
Ooh, you want more? Look, he's following me. He wants it. Dad, look.
I see.
I make him follow me.
Oh, let me get Elijah.